Shoo-ba-be-doo. La-da-da. What is up, you guys? It's Samantha. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel. I did not post a video last week because I just started my new job and I was taking care of family members, so I didn't have time to create a video or edit it or upload it, so I apologize for that. But this week we will be having a video, obviously, because we're watching it here. Hey, hey. This week's video is going to be similar to my previous video, which I believe was the DIY canopy. This video is going to be an updated room tour, and it's also going to be giving you some insights onto some of the ideas in my bedroom. Some of it's DIY, some of it's just stuff I've acquired since I was in middle school. A lot of hoarding, honestly. And stuff from the thrift store, and most of it's DIY though. Hopefully this will give you some ideas for spicing up your own room. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Without any further introduction, here we go. So as you all saw in my last video, this is my bed. I got the comforter from Target, and this tool I got from Joann's Fabric, I think. Yeah, Joann's Fabric. And the string lights I got from Amazon. Recently I had the lights on this curtain, but I raised these lights up and I could attach them to my lamp right here, which looks kind of cool but also kind of weird in a way. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm actually expanding this bed soon because it's from IKEA, and so it can actually expand. And this is actually a queen-sized bed set, so it's being fit on a twin right now, so that's interesting. Yeah, so I'll probably be doing a new video on that when I update that, and I'll be creating more tulle curtains, which I have more of in my closet. I put pins in the wall and command strips, and I made sure that it was all even, and I just tied it all up there, and I made sure that it was all holding together, and I put some tacks in the wall and made it kind of poofy right there because it looks a lot more clean instead of, just having like lines appearing in your wall. And then I made a pattern right there so it goes down, and I have thumbtacks making it kind of square-like, and it makes it look like there's a lot, but it's really just 2 strings of lights, which is really useful. So right here is my desk, and I have this huge desk chair right here that my mom got for me on like the Facebook Marketplace. Woo! That's blurry. Anyways, so again, it's just luck of the draw for most of the stuff in my room. Here are all my books. Well, not all of them. I have like 100 more books in my own bedroom in my parents' house. And there's some of the books that I did not rent for school. And there's my laptop with all their stickers. My favorite sticker is the dopamine sticker. It's like dope. I love Disney, and I'm also Catholic. Fun fact. I also love animal rights. So there it goes. Here is all my markers. I love doodling and I love arts and crafts. This shelf I also got on Amazon. It's actually 2 shelves, but I pushed them into one because they can expand and unexpand. I have a lot of sketchbooks right there and journals. I have my paints and some of my favorite books from my favorite series, which is The Mortal Instruments. Actually, these 3 books, City of Ashes, City of Glass, and Clockwork Angel, I'm loaning to my roommate because she just started the series and she loves it, and I'm so happy about that. Right now I'm on The Lord of Shadows, and I haven't been able to read it for a while because of school, but hopefully this summer I can get back into reading. But this is my desk, right here. So, as you can see, I'm super fancy. I'm using my phone to record this. What's up? So right here is actually my favorite spot. Hello, leg. What are you doing there? I can sit at my desk, or I can sit at this Papasan chair that I got on Amazon, and I can play guitar or my ukulele or read or just, fall asleep in this ginormous chair with all my blankets and pillows. So nice. Here's my record player. I have a bunch of my dad and my grandpa's old albums. The only modern album is obviously the Divide album. I actually have my songwriting book right there, and a bunch of blankets, which include Divergent 4, Moana, Supernatural, and just a random plain blue blanket. I'm obviously a nerd. Wow, okay. From IKEA, and I got these 2 cases from Amazon. This mirror I also got from IKEA. I got it when I first started college. My light wall right here. This is obviously where I film most of my intros and outros for these videos, and I love sitting here because it has my TARDIS pillow and Beans the bear. Got it from a gift from my co-stars from Into the Woods, and I named it Beans because beans. Beans and nothing but beans. And so here are my blankets I got from Five Below. My best friend's mom made me a quilt, and yeah, I got this TARDIS pillow for Christmas and a bunch of stuff from Five Below. So, you know, it's below $5, which is amazing. Here you have my closet. In my old room, I switched rooms in this house. I did not have a closet, so my room was a hot mess because I could not fit any of this there. My second favorite wall section, because it's just these adorable cards that I've gotten from friends, from birthdays, or for opening night for shows I've been in. They're so cute and they're so small. I just put them on twine and just hung them on this wall. It's just so nice. This is my door, obviously. It has all my favorite sweaters. I love sweaters. It could be 99 degrees outside and I will still wear a sweater. This painting is my own. I drew with Sharpie. I love sunflowers. This shelf was here when I moved in. It has my second favorite stuffed animal and my third favorite stuffed animal. I mean, it's not really a stuffed animal. It's more of like a statue, a really fluffy statue of a alpaca, I think. Oh my gosh, alpacas and llamas always get me confused. These are all my journals and my two cacti. This is Charlie Purple Baker and this is Goliath. These are all my cards right here that I love and keep. They're really aesthetic and I love reading cards. These are called Warm and Fuzzies. These are from all my retreats I've been in, and these are candles and a bunch of Jesus stuff, so that's fun. My Stormtrooper Snuggie. It is my pride and joy that I won from White Elephant. It's beautiful. Hi! And I bring this home with me. I wear it like a cape, and so I just like storm through the house with this like majestic Stormtrooper outfit. So there you have it. There's my updated room tour, and there will probably be more as I continue to create in my space. I love having a creative space, and I love making it my room because then I can be surrounded by creativity. Anyway, make sure you hit that like button and to subscribe and comment any further ideas for videos that you would like to see, or maybe if you have an idea that you've done in your room that you could share with me, because I love hearing new ideas, especially for creating in your room, and maybe this will inspire you to do stuff in your room too. So stay healthy, stay safe, make life as colorful as you possibly can, and I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.